guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you're doing good. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video and I hope you enjoy. So I actually went to SUPERDRUG the other day and bought way too much. I spent way too much and I just thought I could make a video out of it for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this haul video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you do. Follow my Instagram, all that, I'll leave it below. And yeah, let's just jump on into what I got. I got so many goodies, so many like makeup products. I just really needed a big stock up of different makeup bits. I was running low on quite a lot and I wanted to see what was new and try some new bits. So I found some real good. If you guys enjoy, let's just jump on into today's video. So I got this Jimmy Choo Flash perfume. It is one of my favorite perfumes. If you haven't smelled this, you need to smell it. It's absolutely beautiful and this was on offer down to £23 I think for this huge box. So I'm so happy about that and I can't wait to open it and use it up because I've been saving it to show in this video. But let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried this perfume. It's definitely one of my favorites. So next up, I also picked up their SUPERDRUG own brand of tan. This is a really good tan as well. I got it in the dark because I do need to tan. Look, I'm very pale at the moment. So I got this and yeah, this was also quite cheap. It was like £5 I think. But it's definitely one of my favorites and you should definitely try it out if you're in the mood for a tan. So I find this one goes on really well and fades really well as well. I would probably get like a week out of a coat of it. So this is one of my favorites to try and I had to pick that up. So I got this Revolution Hydra Bomb Gloss. It's just a clear gloss, but I've seen loads of reviews on this. The lips look like really full, so I really wanted to try it. I might actually open it up and try it, so I'll be back in a second. So this is what the gloss looks like on. I think it looks really good. It feels really smooth. It doesn't feel sticky or like tacky on your lips. It feels quite nice. That's what the packaging looks like. So it has like a really nice lid and a huge applicator as well. I also picked up this Gorgeous Glow blush and highlight stick. So it looks like this. It's like a pinky rose gold color. I've been loving like a cream blush at the moment as well. So let's just put this on, see what this looks like. I do have some makeup on. This is not a tutorial, but I just love trying out new things. Cute. So it gives like a rosy flush. Next, I picked up just one of my favorite eyeliners. This is the Rimmel Kohl Soft Kohl eyeliner. I like to put this in my waterline. The shade I got is Jet Black. They have a few different black shades I noticed, but I just went with the extra black, Jet Black. I think it works better because I have dark eyes. What I have been doing recently is wearing brown mascara. So this mascara I have on at the minute is the L'Oreal Telescopic and it's in the shade brown. And I found like a little tip if you have darker eyes, like go with, I have brown eyes obviously, so I wear brown mascara and I just feel like it really opens up your eyes a bit. I don't know, let me know what you think. Next up is this Revolution powder. You guys can see, you probably see my camera in the back, but it's a translucent setting powder. So I'm excited to try this out. I always bake underneath my eyes whenever I'm doing concealer and you know, like a more of a heavier makeup, but this little pot looks so nice and I got it in translucent. They have a few different shades in that. They had like a banana yellowy color and then they also had a darker tone and then they had this one obviously which is translucent, but I just tend to prefer the translucent because you can put it all over your face instead of the banana one's really good setting under your eyes, but I just like that one because I can just kind of dust it all over. So I'll let you know if I think it's any good. I got this e.l.f. setting spray. I love the e.l.f. setting spray. I haven't tried many of the e.l.f. products. I love their brows pencil and I also love their putty primer. So I might go back and get that. But I love the setting spray. This is in the Hydro Glow one, so it's the Illuminating Mist and Set. Next up is this little lip stain from Collection. It's in the color Velvet Kiss. So I actually have the pink one of this on at the moment. I also got that, but I've wore it so it's like in my makeup bag. And that's what I'm wearing at the minute is the pink one of this. But this is the nude shade. And this is in Drama Llama. So let's just swatch this. That is what it looks like. A little nude shade. Next up is a little palette. So I wanted to get some more autumny colors. I love like browns, deep purples, deep pinks whenever it gets into September time. So I picked up this one. This is new from Revolution and it's called the Provocative Palette. And yeah, as you can see, there's some really pretty shades. There's some browns, some nudes, and then also a few glitter. So I love like a matte brown look, or I then also love like a deep purple or deep pink with a bit of glitter like in the inner corner. I think it's so cute, so can't wait to do a look with that. I actually find it so exciting, like getting new products. I get overly excited about this. Another thing I got is a True Match foundation. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you'll know I really like L'Oreal foundations. I always remember using True Match a couple years ago and it given such a nice finish, and I've been looking for a bit of a lighter foundation. Sometimes the Infallible can be a bit intense unless you blend it in with loads of moisturizer, but I'm gonna try that one out and see what it looks like on. I then also got this powder puff. So this is just by SUPERDRUG's own brand and it's just a huge powder puff. I got it to try with the new translucent powder. Just to see how it goes kind of under my eyes and set in my face. I've never used a powder puff, but it just looked really fun to use. I'll let you know if it's any good. Next up is this little eye cream. I've been loving using this eye cream. It's the Vitamin E from SUPERDRUG own brand. And it's really cooling on your skin. When I put it on, I notice a real cooling effect underneath the eyes. It's so lovely. I also use it with my ice roller. So if I'm doing like a bit of a skincare day, I'll lather on some moisturizer and then I'll put on the eye cream and then I'll use my ice roller all over my face. If you want to see ice roller, I do have a video on it. I'll try and link it here if I remember. But yeah, you need an ice roller in your life if you love like skincare and just feeling refreshed. Like I love that feeling of like fresh, hydrated skin. Next up is this Vitamin E facial mist. So this is the hydrated mist from SUPERDRUG's own brand, and this is so lovely. It says on the back, soothing aloe vera and instantly tones and gives boost of moisture each spray. So what I like to do with this is whenever I've put on my moisturizers for the day, I'll spray it on before I put my makeup on. I picked up a protein bar. I was gonna eat it in the car, but I thought I'd show you guys because this is one of my favorite little protein bars. It's the PHC Smart and it's the low sugar. But there is a few other things I wanted to get they didn't have in my SUPERDRUG. So I'll insert that clip here and show you guys what else I pick up. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that little haul, and let me know if there's anything that you've bought recently from SUPERDRUG that I have to try out probably next month because I spent way too much this month, but definitely let me know. Also, I would love if you guys could like and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much. We're on the road to 2K and it's so exciting, so please join along. Thank you guys so much and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.